Okay guys, so as you can see, we are back with the Smart BRABUS #3 and we are with Quincy again. So bro, tell us a little bit more, man. What are we looking at? What color is this, man?
Okay, so you're looking at a digital white on the
Okay.
base, whereby you have an eclipse black roof over here. Same goes to the side mirror cap.
Wow, these are
Okay.
very nice, man, dude. Nice.
So the only thing that is different as compared to #1, as you can see the shape, this will be more a coupe silhouette. And also you
Yes.
get a 20-inch rims.
20-inch rims, yeah?
20-inch rims.
These are nice. These are like this two-tone, solid disc with your red calipers at front. I love this BRABUS, how to say this, name on the wheel. The tire size of this car would be 20-inch, but let's take a look at it. 245 40 R20. Amazing.
Okay, so not only that, the last video of the #1 BRABUS, whereby this illuminated light will be at C pillar, but now the #3 will be at the front of the A pillar.
So that also has a light right there.
Correct.
I like it, man, dude. This is awesome, bro. So before that, you said this is a coupe-like design. So as you can see, guys, the slope, the black top here makes the car look like it's really, you know, very sleek and nice. I like how sharp it angles downwards. So cool. So yeah, maybe we can step into the driver seat. Passenger seat at the front. So we touch and then it opens up automatically. Cool, man, dude. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is the interior of what you will be getting. The ambient lighting is, you can change the lights as well, right? So we got some red happening over here, we got some red happening over there, and red stitching over here, compartment storage down here, window to wind up and wind down, you got your door handles to open and close, side mirrors are on the door, very nice. And also you got red stitching all over the dashboard, guys, to match with your ambient lighting, you know. I mean, if you want to change it, you can. You got your smart car plate right here at the side seals. You got your smart car wording on the carpet. And dude, man, what am I looking at? Why these seats got some studs?
Yes, so
Wow.
actually, effectively, the Smart #3, you get a semi-bucket seat design with the rivet design.
Wow.
So what this rivet design, like, you know, you see your denim jeans by the pocket. So that's what it is.
Dude, this is nice, man. I like what I see. So you got this BRABUS wording on the seat headrest also as well. You got some nice design of this red, even in the backrest also here. You got all this red finishing right here together with your seat belt. Awesome, man, dude. I like it. So we'll get to the driver's seat shortly, but bro, Quincy, since you're tall, right? How do you actually sit in the rear seats?
Okay,
Yeah.
so again, I'm 6'3", in convert to cm, I'm 193.
Okay.
So given at my height, coupe car is a big no for me. But for this Smart #3 BRABUS over here, everything seems fall right into place.
Bro, you look very comfortable, man, dude, at the front. The back here also as well. In the front of the car, I believe you'll be even more comfortable. But check out the glass roof, man, dude. Damn, bro. I like it. I like how big it is. It makes you feel very spacious at the back, you know? And what's nice is that you get these ambient lightings on the seats, including at the driver's side as well. You get it at the aircon vents. You got your Type-C together with your USB located down there, storage compartment over there. You got place to keep some stuff over here. Again, the smart wording on the side seals. You got your Beats, man, dude. Same.
Yes, still Beats.
Dude. So every smart BRABUS car comes with the Beats. as well.
Effectively, all our models, starting from the premium variant up to BRABUS, are all Beats by Dre.
Bro, this is awesome, man, dude. Fantastic. So, window adjustments here, open up the door handle, you got your compartment storage down here, and yes, some speaker right there. Red seat belts for the back also as well. But dude, I love all these, like you mentioned, these studs. Wow, man, awesome, bro. I like it a lot. Cool, bro. So let's check out the rear.
Let's go.
To show you guys how much boot space does this beautiful car have. So how do we open up the rear?
All right, so there's an
please.
Easter egg with the #3. So there's a saying, you have to press A button over here to open up.
Dude, that's nice. I was thinking that it's going to be located down here, but no, it's right at the
A button.
A button right there. Okay, cool. Check out the compartment storage, guys. So the seats, I believe, are foldable as well. This you can actually pull out to hook if you wish to cover what you're keeping down here, so that people don't see it from up there. So let's put that back. Awesome, man, dude. So down here you have storage, more storage. Wow, dude. This is nice. Okay, so this a lot of storage for you to keep some stuff. So yeah, we can close that. We got some net over here. We got some net over there. You got charging places right here. This is cool, man. Dude, can we fold down the rear seats just to
yeah,
show
sure.
how it actually looks? So
Yes, 40-60 speed folding features.
nice. Nice.
If
Okay.
you find this toner is a bit obstructive, you actually can remove it as well.
So you can pull it from there and take it off. Dude, that is super simple and easy to do. But check out the boot space, guys. I'm going to go one from here to see. Check that out, man, dude. Super huge. With the glass roof like this, and then you got this folded down, and then you got that taken out. Looks fantastic, man, dude. Love it. So to close the boot also is electronic, but you can also wave your leg to do it if the key is with you.
Correct.
Alright, so we press that and then we close that first. Just to show you guys the rear, how beautiful this car looks. So again, the color of this car is called
Digital white with Eclipse black roof.
digital white with Eclipse black roof. So you have any other red lining on the car, or is it always going to be red with the black on the top?
Okay, so we have other variants whereby we have red roof, red caps, but it's
Okay.
only available on the Meta Black with Radiant Red roof.
Awesome, man, dude. This is very nice, man. Okay, so the driver's seat. Let's touch that again. So automatically it pops out. And let's take a look on the inside. So we got window adjustments right here. We got some lock unlock finishing right here. Handles. We got some storage compartment over here. Again, the beautiful seats is what I really love, guys. Damn. The seats are fantastic, man. So let's take a seat in the driver's seat. The steering wheel is super sporty. I love the flat bottom finish right here, and I also love that BRABUS lighted up steering at the bottom here in the center. The other controls, as you mentioned in the other car also as well, if you notice, got trip, got your mute button, voice command, you got volume up, volume down, next, and also back. And then also on this side, you got your parking, you got your resume for your cruise control. This is to cancel your cruise control. This is your speed, and also your other stuff to activate your cruise control over here, right? So amazing display, very clean, very sleek, integrated directly in your dashboard. You got your head-up display right over there, and dude, check out the Burmester plug. I mean the Beats by Dre lighted up speakers, man, dude. So they go with your ambient lighting, is that correct?
Correct.
So they go with your ambient lighting. So if you change your ambient lighting to any other color, you realize that all these red lines here will also change together with the speaker over there. So let's check it out.
Alright, personally, this is my favorite color, Cosmic Harmony.
Wow, man,
So you see, it will change.
bro, that is so nice, man, dude.
LED panel will change. But not only
Wow.
that, if you felt like you want to be more interactive, you just go into your ambient lighting feature here.
Okay,
Go into dual. So I just find blue
dude,
and purple.
bro.
So from here, I'll just put here just to interchange. So every 2 minutes, the color between these two colors, they'll interchange. There you go.
Man, dude, that is so nice. I mean, dude, I've never seen that on another car that it can do that, but perhaps maybe I've not visited. But dude, to know that this car, a compact car like this, you can be able to be doing something like this with the amount of power this car can give you, and dude, lighted up speakers, then you can interchange the lights up and down. Dude, that is fantastic, man, dude. That is fantastic. Now let's take a look at these compartment storages. So I believe we press it, we open that up. Compartment storage right here, NFC wireless charging. You got your two Type-C charging places also. Love how you can pull it down. You got two cup holders. You got another place to store your phone or something else that you can fit in. But I believe that is more suitable for your phone. Down here, another cooling thing that's happening down here as well, guys. Amazing. You can store some amazing stuff down there to just keep chill. And let's close that back. Close that back. Very clean-like design, guys. I love it. I personally love how this thing looks. Quincy, man, thanks for your time, bro.
Pleasure.
Appreciate
My pleasure.
you bringing us for a short walk around. But yeah, we will be finding out more and more details about the performance and how to say this, the charging capabilities of all their smart cars here in the future. But in the meantime, just to show you guys what physical stuff you guys will be getting. As you can see, there are a lot of physical stuff that are available for this beautiful brand, guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.